Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and finished in gloss black. We do also have the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, we have the gloss black front splitter as well, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, we have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top along with the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. And then making our way around to the rear you find the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We do also have the rear diffuser with the dual legs exhaust. Press this button just here on the remote and the boot will pop open just like so. Inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space, it goes quite far back. We also have the storage net on the left hand side, a handle just underneath here so we can pull the boot back closed with ease. And then walking back round to the driver's side you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So take a look then at the interior. If you have a look at the back, you find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We do also have the M Sport style seat belts. We have the climate control down there for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors along with the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Again at the front with the same full leather interior, both front seats are also heated and there is a look at them. Again we have the electric windows on the doors with child lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We have the multifunctional steering wheel. If you just take a seat inside, then you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press your start button and the vehicle will start up. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control just here. We do also have the dash cam which is currently telling us to insert a SD card. But as you can see on the dashboard we are also free from any warning lights. We do also have the main screen just here in the centre. Now if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the shortcuts just down here, so click onto the media, then you'll find the radio stations. We do also have the Spotify, Bluetooth audio and much more. Bluetooth phone connectivity just here for making phone calls, and we do also have all these apps which are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if you go onto car, onto the settings, this is where you find the interior ambient lighting, as you can see with plenty of colours to choose from. We have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We do also have the heated seats either side and the ice-cold air conditioning with the climate control. As you can see, all working as they should do. We've got the automatic gearbox. If you put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera for the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park. We do also have the storage space with the cup holders inside of there. Got the different drive modes just down there. Auto hold button and the electric handbrake. Nice leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this car drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now if you like listening to playlists or podcasts on your journeys, then you'll be listening through the premium Harman Kardon sound system. It really does sound great. We've got the multifunctional steering wheel with the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've also got the volume button with the menu button for the digital dashboard and the paddle shift on the right hand side. So if you want to drive this car manually, you can use the paddle shifts behind to go up and down through the gears. We've got the satellite navigation in the centre with the other functions which you will have seen on the pictures on the website. We've also got the dual climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats which is perfect for those cold wintry mornings. We've got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes with the dial and the function buttons for the screen. This car really is comfortable to drive. We've got the lumbar support in the all leather seats with the grey stitching. You can do 2, 3, 400 miles and still get out of this car feeling pretty fresh. Now we're going to be taking a right hand turn onto the industrial estate where I'll perform an emergency stop. I'll just let these vehicles go past first. As I go into the industrial estate and perform this emergency stop in 3, 2, 1, onto the reverse. As you can see on screen, we've got the camera back into drive with no issues. If you've got any other queries about this vehicle or questions, do not hesitate to contact RS Car Sales team, where they will be happy to help. But that's all from me today. Cheers.